Bollywood has hedged around the subject of sex for a long time, but with the coming of new age movies, the mercury is on the rise. We decided to bear the heat and bring you a list of the top 15 sexy movies of Bollywood that is high on the sex quotient. Sahib Biwi Aur Gangster saw Mahi Gill's character obsessed with sex. The movie changed the laws of courtship. Her kinky love-making scene with Randeep Hooda with record it on a cell phone is worth mentioning. Love, Sex or Dhoka. The name says it all. The movie was based on sex scandals, MMS and reality. LSD had 3 subplots: MMS, honor killings and sting operation. Its boldness shocked many. Ragini MMS. Ragini MMS had everybody talking. The movie took the meaning of voyeurism to a completely new level and had all the visual offing you could think of. Jism. Jism grabbed everybody's attention. The whole nation was left talking about it. Considered as a classic among the boldest movies of Bollywood, Jism saw a lot of hot lovemaking and sparks flying between Bipasha and John Abraham. Jism 2. Just like its prequel, Jism 2 had everybody interested. One of the main reasons being Sunny Leone as the leading lady. People waited with bated breath for her to appear on the big screen. The movie fulfilled their expectations. Shuddh Desi Romance. The movie boasts of 27 kissing scenes. Shuddh Desi Romance is a rom-com with an interesting love triangle between Sushant Singh Rajput, Parineeti Chopra and Vaani Kapoor. Aurangzeb. Arjun Kapoor and Sasha Agha sizzle in Aurangzeb. The love-making scene is quite intense and bold. While the lady had no qualms in shooting the bold scenes, Arjun before the shoot was cautious as he wanted to get the shot right. Shootout at Wadala. The love-making scene between John Abraham and Kangana Ranaut in Shootout at Wadala is one of the major reasons why people flocked to the theatres. It is a completely different story that the movie turned out to be quite a watch. The Dirty Picture. The Dirty Picture was bold, from faking an orgasm to visiting a porno film producer's den. Vidya Balan did it all. The movie explored the issues of the casting couch too. Heroine. The intense love-making scene between Kareena Kapoor and Arjun Rampal in Heroine had the audience moving in their seats. That's what happened when 2 good-looking people come together in bed. The outcome was steamy. Murder. With Emraan Hashmi in the frame, you cannot expect a clean movie. Murder saw Malika Sherawat and Emraan Hashmi engage in bold and intimate scenes. Murder 2. Jacqueline Fernandez was quite an eye candy in Murder 2. Her bear-it-all acts in the film had the temperatures raising. We had Emraan Hashmi to give her company. Julie. Julie had Neha Dhupia in a bold avatar. She created ripples when she went topless for the posters of the film. The movie was about a small-town girl who turned into a high society prostitute. Saath Khoon Maaf. Priyanka Chopra dropped her clothes at the drop of a hat in Saath Khoon Maaf. The movie had bold scenes of Priyanka with Vivan Shah, Anu Kapoor, Irfan Khan, Nasiruddin Shah and Neelofer Mukesh. Fire. Fundamentalists in the country burned down theatres when Deepa Mehta's Fire was released. The movie explored the subject of physical desires and needs of a woman satisfied by another woman. Nandita Das and Shabana Azmi made a lot of people uneasy. Well, thanks for watching this video. Now hit the like button and subscribe our channel to watch more. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.